Nice video. Got a blood red parrotfish breeding. It's laying eggs right now, as you can see the breeding tube. I don't want to come too close, not to disturb them. My male flowerhorn, blood red. He's a red cam for a fader, you know. Good stuff. Right over here, I got a half trimac, like green Texas cichlid looking thing going on right here. Just keeping her safe. The male can't harass her. As you know, flowerhorns are monogamous. So there you see, laying eggs. I'll come a little closer. She's laying them right there, as you can see. My male fertilizing. Atta boy. See? Good stuff.